Naalala niyo pa ba, dati ang Quezon Memorial Circle mayroong skating rink. In fact, naalala ko nung high school ako, nagpunta kami doon. It was one Saturday, kami ng mga barkada ko. And then, we went skating. Ako hindi masyado kasi medyo takot ako sa skates. Pero yung isa kong kaklase, nabalian. Just before, ano ba yon? Bago prom or bago graduation? So ngayon, ang ginawa ng Quezon Memorial Circle, binalik nila yung skating rink. Pero ni-level up nila. Anong level up? Ito yun.
Nung tinanggal nila ang skating rink, akala ko hindi na to babalik. Pero bumalik ito, and if you're going to see this, pang competition talaga. As in, Olympic levels. Ang ganda. So if you're a skateboarder or maybe an inline skater, this could be the place for you. Are you a fan of Alex Ayala? Or are you into tennis? Meron ng tennis courts dito sa Quezon Memorial Circle.
Hindi lang para sa tao ang mga developments dito sa Quezon Memorial Circle. In fact, gumawa din sila ng dog park. Para nga naman kung dadalhin mo yung aso mo, meron siyang paglalaruan. Maganda tong paglaruan ng mga aso kasi merong mga holes doon that they can go into. Merong mga rampa. Nice! Ito ang pinaka-latest na development sa Quezon Memorial Circle. It was inaugurated just a few days ago by the Mayor of Quezon City.
O diba, parang mala Central Park lang ang dating?
I'm super excited sa ano pang mga plano na development dito sa Quezon Memorial Circle. So if you have time, especially with your family, come on and visit because there are lots of things to be discovered.